What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and a special package came into our office. It's the Vivo in collaboration with Benefit package. AJ?
What do you need?
I need your help unboxing this box! Cause there's stuff I don't know inside!
Ooh, what's that? It's pink! Black pink!
Just get the chair and let's unbox the package.
So, ang gagawin ko.
So let's get into the box, AJ, and tada!
what's
You have a
that?
letter.
I do it for nobody but myself.
Get a chance to win benefit goodies worth of 5,000 pesos. I think you're supposed to take a selfie with the standard V15 in the box here. It's in its blossom pink color, which is not represented on the image here. But before we get to that, there is makeup in the box, and that is why I called you.
Oh, it's a highlighter. And the another one, you do it.
It's
like a makeup guru. Do it.
What the? It's also a highlighter.
Yeah, I think this is in the shade Gold Rush. And that's the dandelion.
Okay.
Yan yung bestseller nilang
It says you should
highlighter.
peel here. Should I peel here?
No! That's for the ingredients of the makeup.
Oh.
So there's a brush here. Free brush. Then you peel this off. This one.
This horsehair.
No, don't do that!
What?
In makeup industry,
Oh.
you need to swatch it first.
Well, it's shiny. As you can see, it works.
This is how you swatch properly. Use your finger, then you can swatch it like this. Kita ba? Kita ba?
Yeah.
This one.
See?
The Gold Rush and dandelion. So, do you know where to put this highlighter?
Yes, I do.
Where?
On you.
Yeah, on me, but where in my face?
On
What part?
On the cheeks. On the Cupid's bow. Some on the chin and some on... Ay, ito ba yung Cupid's bow?
Yeah.
What's the one here? Just your forehead.
Forehead, yeah. Do you see any difference? Do you see the
Yeah, it
highlight?
became shiny.
So,
I think-
dahil nilagyan mo ako, I'll do it on
Oh,
you too.
okay.
Let's see. Oh, it's pink.
Huh? I thought it's gold.
It's pink. Looks like a blush on with glitters. Yeah, other side. You see? You can use it as your blush on.
Well, I can't see. What do you mean? I don't. What blush on? I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know blush on? It's like a pinkish cheeks. Rosy cheeks.
Okay, it's a term.
Let's do a drunk blush. Forehead. You said forehead. You said chin. Cupid. Whoa. See?
Now I'm ready to unbox the V15. Okay.
Okay, go.
So this is standard V15. In the box, you're greeted with a initial box, and in this initial box, you get a clear case.
Oh, this is a nice case. Look.
Oh, it's different.
Yeah. Let them see.
Woo! And then you get some paperwork and your SIM ejector tool. Woo!
And then we have the
Device itself. Oh! In its pink color!
later.
No?
Ito muna.
Later?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then you get your 5-volt adapter, regular charger, as well as your USB A to micro USB cable and a Vivo branded earphones.
It's nice.
Look at that.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Partner sila ng nails ko, guys.
Are you even showing your nails?
Nice. Yeah.
Okay.
See?
So everything is pink here over at the back. Even the aluminum that
Rose gold, yeah.
it's in its rose gold color. You got the rose gold accents. You got the pink accent around the fingerprint scanner. It's very pink. But will it benefit you? Ooh.
You? How about you?
I don't know. Yeah, I could rock this. I'm just like, hello. You know? Hello. Hello.
So, pwede siya sa boys.
Yeah! Definitely! You know what they say?
Real man.
Wear pink. Now, I want to see if like the pop-up camera is also like pink.
Oh,
It's rose gold also.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I guess this is cool little quick selfie of us, as you can see.
Itsura ko naman dyan, besh.
Yeah, nothing. Everything else out of the box is exactly the same as the standard V15. With the case on, this is what it looks like. Because you know you want to protect that limited edition.
Yeah,
Color?
it's limited edition.
And that's what it looks like. It's got like some translucent, frosted, plastic around it, and it looks good. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's nice, no?
Okay, so yun na.
Really? And the makeup?
Yeah, it's all yours. Just ask Joey first. Alright, so this is the V15 and its blossom pink color. It's in collaboration with Benefit package. And aside from that, spec-wise, you got your 32 megapixel triple AI camera here on the back. You got that all-screen display as well as that pop-up selfie camera. That's you guys. Say hello to yourselves. Yeah, it's pretty much the standard V15. I mean, if you're still interested in the specs, I will have them pop up right here. So yeah, the Vivo V15 in its limited edition blossom pink color will set you back 17,999 pesos. And that's for this package with the two highlighters from Benefit in the Dandelion Twinkle and Gold Rush color. So there is a promo here, and the way I'm understanding this mechanics are, if you have already bought the Vivo in collaboration with Benefit limited edition package, you can get a free complimentary 15-minute makeup session at any of your favorite Benefit cosmetic stores. And the promo actually that you have to do if you did get this package, is take a selfie with the V15 and with your new V15 and upload that photo on Instagram. Make sure to have to
tag Vivo Philippines and Benefit PH
Philippines, yeah, with
the hashtag
Vivo X Benefit. And yeah, it says here, good luck, Bene babe. So, what do you guys think of the V15 in its blossom pink color? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel.
And AJ.
And we will see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.